Sure goes nothing. Whoa. That's it. Whoa. That's thick, boys. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. Okay, boys, what I'd like to know, anyone that's got the older, like pre-2015 body style Sportsman, mine's an 850 XP. Does anyone know what the heck is an easy way to grease the front upper control arm bushing? The front one. The back one over here, you can get from the other side. However, this one, like, what the frig? Has anyone got any tips? Okay, boys, look at that. I got grease in there. So yeah, big problem we got here. This guy right here, there's this big little ear that stick out. So from the other side, you can't even really get it at a great angle. So what he had to do was hook it up on the other side, snake it through, come around, get my hand on this side, and feel in the dark and like jam it on there and hope that it actually stayed. Was locked on enough, which sometimes won't happen. What I got going on here, in order to change the angle, I jacked it up, put a block under the tire to bring the whole arm system up higher to change the angle so I get a better angle on the nipple itself. And then you come around to this side. Once I got her snaked through here, like a freaking dog's breakfast going through here. Got to go around the frame here. There's the fans in the way. Wiring for your winch down in there. And you can't see it. You get it close, then you gotta come around here, do the old reach around, if anybody knows what I'm talking about. Kind of blind in the dark. Hopefully you're unhooking the bra properly, if you know what I'm saying. Go back over here. Start squeezing and hope for the best. Well, it worked. We got her. I'll do the same procedure on the other side. All right, boys. Thanks for tuning in to this here episode on how to lubricate your nipples. We'll talk to you later.